sold on the wind. Wings bite the blue edge, you skim the ocean. White veins of foam chasing your shadow. Cliffs breathe out spray, boats shrink to bright seas below. You carve your name in a single long arc above the swell. Right in the spine of Peru, from the ocean to the peaks in one long view. Over Andes, over highlands too. Forests breathing, desert shining through. Right in the spine of Peru, every turn pulls another world in frame. All these colors racing under you and the sky untamed. Rock turns to ridge line, snow scrawled, jagged and close, the end is rise. So sudden your stomach lifts thin air. Red lakes, tiny stone roofs stitched in the valley. You chase condors, they tilt like slow kites under your feet. Hey! Right in the spine of Peru, from the ocean to the peaks in one long view. Over Andes, over highlands too. Forests breathing, desert shining through. Right in the spine of Peru, every turn pulls another world in frame. All these colors racing under you, you and the sky untamed. Highlands roll out, soft brown, soft gold. Terraces curling like fingerprints on the hills. Smoke from a field fire rises lazy, then falls away. You dip, then climb, trading whispers with the wind. Green gets louder, the forest spreads a deep storm of leaves. Rivers twist silver between crowns of tangled shade. You skim the canopy, my cars burst out. Red and blue sparks rain on the lens. You shake it off in a sharp, low dive. Oh yeah! Right in the spine of Peru, from the ocean to the peaks in one long view. Over Andes, over highlands too. Forests breathing, desert shining through. Right in the spine of Peru, every turn pulls another world in frame. All these colors racing under you, you and the sky. Then everything thins, green drains to copper and bone. The desert arrives, silent, endless, stripped to light. Lines in the sand, old stories cut into the plain. You trace them once, then vanish over the heated air. Ocean behind you and is holding up the sky. Highlands humming, forests fading to a dream. Desert still glowing under your last white robe. You cut the end